Hi guys, Yolanda here from Ladybug Crafts or Studio and welcome to back to my messy desk. Now I've been doing, well, you'll have seen from the previous videos that I've just been doing quite a bit on TikTok. So now I decided to do some on my YouTube channel on the Tall Skinny Journal, and it's turning out quite nice. I'm really enjoying it. I've just folded this page up, and as you can see, when I work, I hop from page to page. I don't work through each page, and I don't always finish decorating each page. So I have this piece here, so I want to make a pocket, I think, to go on here. So pencil, can't live without my pencil. So I'm going to kind of measure. I am going to do a tabbed pocket or a flap pocket, a pocket with flaps, so it's quite I'm going to make it, I'm just seeing, I'm actually going to do it to, yeah, about there. So let's chomp that up. Let's do it. It is a boiling hot day here in Pretoria. Woo-wee. So now I am going to, where is my little, I should have looked for it before I came on, but anyway, I'm just busy, you know. Alright, my big one. Oh no, there's my small one. I'm looking for my scoreboard under piles of paper. So let's score it. Just down the one side to begin with. Not sure how I'm going to do this. And then we are going to, about there. Yeah, that should do just fine. That's how I measure, guys. I'm not measuring. Ay. And I'm going to chomp off. See how I work, one on top of the other. Don't work like me. Oh. Let's keep that. You never know what we can do with it. And let's score that. Let's put this aside. Let's be a good girl. Put it aside. And then like so. And you know what we do at the bottom is we just shoo, the lines do make me cross-eyed, but I like them very much. And let's get rid of that. So now we have sort of a tall, skinny pocket, but I also want to take advantage of the other side. And this, I'm not going to round that edge. So on my vintage paper, I want to do something like, so it's not going to be that tall and skinny. Is that too much? I think 1.5. Just a kind of a short. And I'm going to fold it back. Yes. Like so. Yeah, I think that looks really nice. Let me just grab the small scissors. And I'm just going to cut that off here. And the side. What's the time? 12:30. No wonder I'm a bit hungry. I just felt a gnawing in my stomach. There we go. And that's actually got a pencil mark on there, so let's get rid of that. But I'm going to use, because I want it pretty, this guy. There we go. Oh, we want that edge done as well. Yeah, that's fine. Let's get rid of that. And that way, so that will go. Let's really press it down and stick it down. Okay, maybe I'll do another one. I had another idea, but anyway, this is what's happening here. Where's my cloth? Always losing stuff. I'll have to cut this one up. Yeah, I think that's fine. So I just want to really make this so it doesn't bulge too much on the journal, and then it's always good to do the other side, and then we can glue this on. So I'm just kind of working as usual. Call this a craft along, tutorial, whatever you want. So there we have just, you know, a pocket. And even this guy could go in here. Is it down? And I did have a leftover piece somewhere. Yes, you see here, right here. How about that? I'm liking that. Let's just make a very thin line, if we can, from my very full bottle. So this is really just your standard pocket. So we can put a small tag in there, because there's lots of tags in this kit. And then I have this fabric. I mean, not fabric, this trim. It's just beautiful. And I think I will use it. This is the center. I don't know what I'm going to do there yet. But then I have to do it on both sides, don't I? And I don't want to do that. So I'll figure something out. Or how about on a lace pocket? Got to make sure it's the right way. No, it's not. It's this way. Very pretty there. I think maybe I'll just do that. I didn't want too much dripping out on this one. So maybe I'm just going to, you know, I wanted to make it different from my other ones. But you know, when you've got this, you've got to let it drip. Yeah, I'm going to let it drip out. What can I say? Then I'll have to add more drips. And let's just cut it. No need to iron it, but I don't want it to be too tight a pocket either. If you know what I mean. If you pull the fabric tight, it makes for a tight pocket. Do something later, make sure it's not stuck on the inside. So there's a little pocket there. And then I was thinking So I'm going to do this. I'm going to alter this paper bag pencil right here because obviously it's too wide. So let's do it a little bit more narrow in there, right? And then what I'm going to do, let's get this out the way. And just take off a little bit there, and we can take, and I just did that wrong. But it actually doesn't matter. Let me just see. No, what am I doing? I've done it right. Just a little snip there. Gonna make this easy. And I'm going to fold it in. I've got glue all over my fingers. Hang on a sec. And I'm just going to snip it a little bit there so it goes in nicely. There we go. There we go. More or less. And that's about right. I'm not too worried if it's not perfectly straight. So we can take this off. And then we can fold it like so. And I need to find my scissors. I'm just going to take a random one. This will do fine. Yeah, this is perfect actually. Come on, cut nicely. There. Let's get rid of that. Let's put the pencil back so when I need it I can find it. And then we have a paper bag altered to my specifications. And I'm just wondering because I want to emboss it as well. Or partially emboss it to make it a little bit more interesting. But I should wait until it's dry. But who has time for that, huh? I have fussy cut this. It's so cute, man. From one of the papers. But now let me bring my embossing machine here. Fortunately, it's close to me, my little one. Why am I taking this out? Silly girl. So let's kind of do my goodness, what went flying? I don't know. I'll look for it later. Something went flying. Oh, look how pretty that is. That is so gorgeous. So I just want to grab another embossing bag of mine. Oh, that's not going to work, is it? I need to use... No, so that'll work. And yeah, let's do it that way, shall we? Just to there. Okay, let's take it out. show it to you in a second. Let's get this out the way. So, can you see that? It's just so pretty. And then we need, still a little bit wet, the glue. Yeah, and it's spread. So, let's just put the ruler in here. What is that noise? What is that? See, this is why you should let it dry. I'll probably fix it later. Let it dry, and then, so you know, the glue doesn't spread more with the embossing. And then I will open it later when it's dry, because I'm just going to mess it up, and I don't want to do that. So if we can stick you. Oh, you are so pretty. You are so pretty. Whew. So I think I'm going to call it quits. So it's a nice short video. We'll figure out something more to do there. And I love the way this turned out. Still needs something here, but that'll come later. And that, just a whole lot of tags on a piece of embossed paper with lace and, yeah, sentiment. That will need work. And I will see you next time, guys. Take care now. Bye-bye.